Samsung QLED QEF1 4K Vision AI Smart TV. Main features are Samsung QLED QEF1 4K Vision AI Smart TV is part of Samsung's 2025 lineup, emphasizing enhanced picture quality and smart features through the integration of AI. QLED display with 100% color volume. As a QLED TV, the QEF utilizes quantum dot technology. This means it can produce over 1 billion shades of color, providing vibrant and accurate colors, often maintaining color volume even at high brightness levels. Samsung states it achieves 100% color volume measured to DCI P3 standard, certified by VDE. 4K UHD resolution delivers sharp and detailed images with 4 times the pixels of Full HD. Q4 AI processor. This is the Vision AI aspect. Samsung's AI processor is designed to optimize both viewing and sound experiences for 4K TVs. AI upscaling. It intelligently upscales content to 4K resolution, enhancing clarity and detail even for lower resolution sources. This AI recognition extends to various elements within a scene, a person's face, hair, leaves, to upscale them specifically. Color Booster Pro uses AI to enhance color expression scene by scene, aiming for more vivid and dynamic visuals. Adaptive sound. The AI processor also analyzes content in real time to optimize sound based on the type of content being watched. Quantum HDR. This technology brings out detail and contrast in both bright and dark scenes. It supports HDR10+, which uses dynamic tone mapping to create deeper blacks and more vibrant imagery. Pantone validated. This certification ensures accurate expression of over 2,140 Pantone colors and 110 newly added skin tone shades, promising a rich, true-to-life viewing experience. Smart TV platform, One UI Tizen. Runs on Samsung's Tizen OS, which is known for its user-friendly interface. It offers access to a wide range of streaming apps, smart home control via SmartThings, supporting Matter devices, and voice assistants like Samsung Bixby and potentially others like Alexa, Google Assistant, though Bixby is usually primary. Samsung also highlights endless free content with access to Samsung TV Plus. Hue Sync compatibility can sync with Philips Hue smart lights for an immersive lighting experience that matches on-screen content.